Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial. This tutorial is about discovering drugs. So we are going to look from where did scientists discover the drugs. Traditionally, drugs were extracted from either plants or microorganisms such as molds. In ancient Egypt, for example, moldy bread was used on septic wounds, perhaps as an early form of antibiotic treatment. Now, scientists often adapt chemicals from microorganisms and plants to make more effective drugs. So, we are going to begin with the drugs extracted from plants. The first important drug is the digitalis. Digitalis is one of several drugs extracted from foxgloves plants. Moreover, another drug called digoxin is also extracted from this plant. These drugs have been used since the 18th century to strengthen the heartbeat. There are many more drugs, but doctors still use digoxin, especially for older patients with heart problems. Another important drug is the aspirin. Aspirin originates from a compound found in the bark of willow trees. This antibiotic has an anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Now moving to the drugs which are extracted from microorganisms. A very common and important drug is the penicillin. In the early 20th century, scientists were looking for chemicals that might kill bacteria and cure the infectious diseases. In 1928, Alexander Fleming was growing bacteria for study purposes. After one day, Fleming saw that lots of his culture plates had mold growing on them. He noticed a clear ring in the jelly around some of the spots of mold and realized something had killed the bacteria covering the gel. Fleming then recognized the importance of his observations. He called the substance that killed bacteria penicillin, after the penicillium mold that produced it. So, the mold produced a substance called penicillin which killed the bacteria.